What if I told you that you don't need a gym, expensive equipment, or intense workouts to stay strong after 60? In fact, some of the best exercises for seniors can be done right at home, using nothing but your own body weight, and just a few minutes a day. Many people believe that getting older automatically means becoming weaker, slower, and less active. But the truth is, your body is designed to keep moving, even after 60. And here's something important most people don't realize. The less you move, the faster your body declines. Muscles become weaker, balance gets worse, joints become stiffer, energy levels drop, and simple everyday activities suddenly start feeling difficult. But the good news is this: you can improve strength, balance, mobility, and energy from the comfort of your own home, without any equipment at all. In today's video, we'll go through some of the best at-home exercises for seniors that help support healthy aging, improve flexibility, protect independence, and keep your body strong safely after 60. And make sure you stay until the end, because the final exercise is one of the most important movements for preventing falls and maintaining independence later in life. Exercise number 1, chair stands for leg strength. One of the most important things after 60 is maintaining lower body strength. Why? Because your legs are responsible for almost every daily activity: standing up, walking, climbing stairs, balancing, and even preventing falls. And one of the simplest but most effective exercises for seniors is the chair stand. It may look easy, but it's incredibly powerful. Here's how it works. Sit in a sturdy chair with your feet flat on the floor. Slowly stand up without using your hands if possible. Then slowly sit back down again. That's 1 repetition. This movement strengthens the thighs, hips, knees, and core muscles, all extremely important for maintaining independence. Many seniors notice that getting out of a chair becomes harder with age, and that's often because the leg muscles become weaker over time from inactivity. But exercises like chair stands help rebuild that strength safely. The key here is slow and controlled movement. You don't need speed, you don't need intensity, you just need consistency. Even doing this exercise for a few minutes a day can improve mobility, balance, and confidence over time. And remember, every movement you practice today is helping your body stay independent tomorrow. Exercise number 2. Wall push-ups for upper body strength. As people age, upper body strength also becomes extremely important. Simple tasks like carrying groceries, opening doors, lifting objects, or pushing yourself up from bed all require arm and shoulder strength. That's why wall push-ups are such a great exercise for seniors. They're safe, beginner-friendly, and much easier on the joints than traditional push-ups on the floor. To do this exercise, stand facing a wall and place your hands against it at shoulder height. Slowly bend your elbows and lean toward the wall, then gently push yourself back. That's it. This exercise strengthens the chest, shoulders, arms, and even the core muscles. And one of the biggest advantages is that you can easily control the difficulty. The farther you stand from the wall, the harder the exercise becomes. Many older adults avoid strength exercises because they think lifting weights is dangerous or too difficult. But maintaining muscle after 60 is one of the most important parts of healthy aging. Because muscle loss affects balance, posture, energy, and mobility. The body naturally loses muscle mass with age, but regular movement and strength exercises can slow that process significantly. And the best part? You don't need expensive gym equipment to build strength. Your body weight is often enough. Exercise number 3, marching in place for heart health and balance. One of the easiest ways to improve circulation and increase energy at home is simply marching in place. It sounds simple, but this exercise is incredibly effective for seniors. Marching in place helps improve blood flow, supports heart health, activates the leg muscles, and improves coordination and balance. To do it, simply stand tall and slowly lift one knee at a time, as if you're walking in place. Swing your arms naturally and move at a comfortable pace. That's all. If balance feels difficult, you can hold on to a chair or countertop for support. Now, here's why this movement matters so much after 60. As people age, many become less active, and inactivity affects almost every system in the body, including circulation, muscle strength, energy levels, and even mental health. Movement keeps the body alive. It keeps the heart active, it keeps the joints mobile, and it helps the brain stay healthier too. In fact, regular physical activity has been linked to improved mood, reduced stress, and even better cognitive function in older adults. Sometimes people think exercise must be exhausting to be effective, but that's simply not true. Even gentle movement done consistently can create major improvements over time. And for many seniors, the most important thing is not intensity. It's simply staying active regularly. Exercise number 4, heel-to-toe walk for better balance. One of the biggest dangers after 65 is falling. Falls can lead to serious injuries, reduced confidence, and loss of independence. And unfortunately, many older adults stop moving as much after a fall because they become afraid. That's why balance exercises are extremely important. And one of the best simple balance exercises you can do at home is the heel-to-toe walk. To do this exercise, place one foot directly in front of the other, so the heel touches the toes of the opposite foot. Then, slowly continue walking in a straight line. At first, this may feel surprisingly difficult, and that's okay. Balance naturally becomes weaker with age if it's not trained regularly. You can practice near a wall or countertop for extra safety and support. This exercise helps improve coordination, stability, and body awareness, all of which help reduce the risk of falls. And what's important to understand is this: balance is not something you either have or don't have. Balance is a skill, and like any skill, it improves with practice. Even just a few minutes of balance training each day can help seniors feel more confident while walking and moving around. And confidence matters, because fear of falling often causes people to become less active, which actually increases weakness over time. Movement builds strength, and strength builds confidence.
Exercise number 5, seated stretching for flexibility and mobility. Many seniors focus only on strength and forget about flexibility. But flexibility plays a huge role in healthy aging. Tight muscles and stiff joints can make everyday activities harder and more uncomfortable. Simple things like reaching, bending, walking, or getting dressed may become more difficult over time without regular stretching. That's why seated stretching is such a great daily exercise for older adults. And the best part is that it can be done safely from a chair. Simple seated stretches for the neck, shoulders, back, arms, and legs can help reduce stiffness and improve mobility throughout the body. Stretching also improves circulation and helps the body relax, which can reduce stress and muscle tension. And after 60, staying flexible helps maintain freedom of movement. Because healthy aging is not just about living longer. It's about being able to move comfortably and confidently while enjoying daily life. Now, here's something important. You should never force a stretch or move into pain. Gentle movement is enough. The goal is not perfection. The goal is simply to keep the body moving safely and consistently. Over time, small improvements in flexibility can make a huge difference in comfort and mobility. Getting older does not mean you have to stop moving. In fact, movement becomes even more important after 60. Because every day you stay active, you are helping your body maintain strength, balance, mobility, and independence. And remember, you don't need fancy equipment or difficult workouts to stay healthy. Simple exercises done consistently at home can create powerful long-term results. The most important thing is to keep moving. Start small. Even a few minutes a day is better than doing nothing at all. Your future body will thank you for the effort you make today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content about healthy aging, senior fitness, brain health, and living a stronger, healthier life after 60. And in the comments below, tell us, which of these exercises would you try first?
Thanks for watching, stay active, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.